To demonstrate the life cycle rule, let's create two bucket. From the one is from the Azure backend and one is from the AWS bucket. So AWS account. So let's create two bucket. One is from the Azure. So one I'm creating from the AWS now. So successful created AWS final. Let's check in the actual cloud account. I'll just refresh it. So now just created. Again I will go to dashboard and create another bucket from the Azure one. So Azure final test 1.1, let's see here it's created or not. Yeah, it's created. Now I will upload some file in Azure one. So let's say there is one snapshot or screenshot. So successfully uploaded in Azure final test one. Let's check that here. Yeah, that is also, but in AWS there is nothing, and no bucket, no object is there. So this is the backend. Okay, so here there is no life cycle rule now. So I will go to the Postman and I will set the life cycle rule on Azure final test 11, and target bucket is AWS final test and backend is this one. So I will hit this. So successfully set. Let's check here in dashboard also displaying now. So what happened, this if you see this the life cycle is of 30 days, but since I don't have 30 days time, so what I will do, I'll go to the DB, and I've already logged into the DB, and I will select I will check which all objects are there. So in Azure final test 1 there is object called as the docker.png, and the time creation is this one. So what I will do, I will update 30 days back the time, so that my life cycle rule can be shown. So here bucket name I will just change, and I am setting the life cycle rule of 1 month before. And in my Docker Compose I have already updated the rule like that it will update, it will do the life cycle things in the every 1 minute. So one row is affected, means basically this is now updated. And see here, this was the March. Now if I will refresh this, so last modify is now February. So as you can see that the Docker some object is there, and the location is no bucket Azure one, but it will once life cycle will complete, it will each and everything will move from Azure to AWS. Let's check. So I will just wait for a minute. So I will just wait for a minute and then I will again refresh. Yeah, so 1 minute wait over. So just I will refresh it. So now you can see that location is changed. It was previously it was from Azure. And now let's check here. This is Azure account. So docker dot that file is moved and has been migrated to AWS final test 1, as you can see here. And so that's the life cycle rule demo. Thank you.